good day, good day, good day. It's quit raining a couple hours ago. Yeah, afternoon. So I jumped on the tractor, did the field behind my house here. Went ahead and cut it low. The one up front, we knocked the tops off. The cows are up there. I don't have to worry about getting, it's more healthier for them. I don't have to worry about them getting stuck in the eye and getting pink eye or anything. So I took care of those two. Down below down around the creek, I really wanted to do down there first. But that's too muddy. I didn't do no clean up, like back up into the corners and stuff like that. But I just mowed where the tractor would go, roll forward. We got that done. And I got the turkeys taken care of, I see. It was getting kind of muddy in there. They get them up out of the mud. Not so bad. They dug a trench, so that little mud hole right there to drain off. It's bad out here. The water is unbelievable. Yeah. So maybe I'll get to the lower pasture, because there's a lot more to avoid down there, tree limbs and stuff like that. Whew, I'm tired. Now, let me go see where they're at down here. Well, I'm not going down there where they're at. They're all the way down there where I was talking about mowing, working on the water pump. It rained so much the water pump ended up underwater. And they're swapping pumps out so they can bring that one up and dump the gas tank and clean out the carburetor and change the oil in it. It's not the first time it's happened. Yep. Tomatoes need watering. I gotta get the pump going. A lot of tomatoes, they're all in blooms. Whew. I don't know if you can see them or not. Out here on this front pasture, still good and tall. I just knocked the tops out to where the cow's face wouldn't have to go into it to eat. So that's done. Down the driveway's looking good. Even after the rain, it don't look like it needs mowing. I mean, I mowed it good the other day. Yeah. They up here looking for something to eat. And if we put something in there just to get them to come up here when we want them to, but they don't get enough to matter one way or the other. Just to keep them controlled. Well tamed. Yeah. It's all wet in there and water in there now. Guess you're just drinking. Anyway. That's what's going on around here. The sun's out now. It's going to take a lot of it to dry this place up. Because we've had more rain than we could even measure. I have to leave that up to somebody else that might think they know how much it rains. I mean, rain has It's been unreal. Water, water, water. Can't even express it. And of course you hear those noisy creatures. Here. We've still got a few more weeks of them. Now the bug guy that comes around and sprays, he said that he was told that next year they'll be worse than they were this year. Now we hadn't had them in 14 years. Yeah. They said they typically hang around 6 to 8 weeks. And we're already into a good month of listening to these things. Now the other day, it was just quiet as it could be, and we thought, they're gone. Next day they were back. Noise was back out here. Well, we still hadn't loaded my truck up. We just done so many. This water has caused a lot of big headaches. A lot of things have to be done, like that pump down there. And then the cows, bringing them up here, that had to come down some. Like I said, we didn't want them trying to poke themselves in the eye, trying to eat down there. And then, anyway, rain's just slowed things down. Yeah, we gotta get my truck down there, the Chevrolet dealer here. Gotta do it this week. Friday's supposed to be auction night, but I don't know. If we don't get caught up in something going on, we got rain a couple more days. I think tomorrow, don't hold me to it, but I think we're not supposed to have none tomorrow. But I think it's the next day and the next day. It's unreal. Yeah, I'm off center because of so much rain. I'm starting to get waterlogged. Well, I'll let you go for now. If I get around to doing anything else, I'll be back to see you. Now, if any of you want to help, when this plays, it's never too late to get here. So, I mean, you can turn it on tomorrow and watch it and just jump on out. You know. Don't worry about making no announcements. You're getting ready to show up. Just jump on out, and I'll go. Hey, come on, follow me. Got some work for you to do. But I got Scott and Daniel's down there working on that pump right now, switching them out. So that'll take care of that. Yeah. Guess I have to drive we got Big Red hooked to the trailer to haul my truck with. I guess I have to drive a dump truck. Okay. Alrighty. Holler at me later. Keep on smiling. Some people don't know when to stop working. Daniel's getting the cages on the tomato plants. As you can see, the pump started working. Look at the wetness. Oh, you're over halfway on one row. Well, that about wraps it up for today. It's actually after 9 o'clock at night. I know it don't look like it, looking in the camera, the sky and everything. You can still see. It's getting staying a little more daylight all the time. And the street lights are on. Walk down here, close the gate. And in spite of the rain, we had a pretty active day. That was a pretty good one too. hope y'all had a good day. Yeah. I'm gonna walk back up here to the house and get me something to drink and call it the night. Them bugs stop making all that noise tonight. They'll be back tomorrow. And I hear a crow or a woodpecker. I love the sounds. Anyway, thanks for watching. Look, I was looking at my weekly thing, and I got a lot more people watching than subscribed. So do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. And stick around for a while. It even shows return people is the percentage is high. But y'all have a blessed night. Keep on smiling. If for no other reason, just remember that Jesus loves you. And random things I do. We'll see you. Okay. We'll see you later. Good night.